September 1, 2025. May magandang balita po ngayon sa unang araw ng Setyembre dahil si DPWH Secretary Bunuan ay pinalitan ni Acting Secretary Vince Dizon sa Department of Public Works and Highways. Siya po ay magaling na tao under the term ni President Rodrigo Duterte from 2019 to 2022. Tinanggal po siya ni Marcos sa dati niyang assignment sa office ni President Duterte. But before that, from 2019 to 2022, si Secretary Vince Dizon was the presidential advisor for flagship programs and projects ni Pangulong Duterte. He oversaw the monitoring and implementation of the administration's flagship infrastructure programs, making recommendations as needed. Siya po rin ay naging Deputy Chief Implementer of the National Task Force Against COVID-19 and played a crucial role in the government's response to the pandemic, contributing to policies and strategies noong kasagsagan po na mataas po ang COVID ng Pilipinas. He was also the testing czar, leading efforts to improve the country's COVID-19 testing capacity as part of the test, trace, and treat strategy sa time ni President Digong. He was also chairman of Clark Development Corporation, managing the development of Clark Freeport Zone during his tenure as BCDA chief from 2016 to 2021. Actually po, si Acting Secretary Vince Dizon nag-serve po as President and CEO of the Basis Conversion and Development Authority or BCDA from the same period 2016 to 2021, driving infrastructure development and contributing significantly to the agency's revenue and growth. So, ganyan po. Si Manuel Bunuan po ay salamat naman dahil nakakahiya na po ang opisina niya at actually siguro penersa din itong mag-resign na lang because in his latest statement parang sabi niya hindi resignation ang answer for this flood control problem. So, sana lahat na ng mga korap na sekretary ni BBM ay mag-resign na ulit kahit hindi pa hinihingi. Nakakahiya kayo. At sana naman yung presidente, again, sumaludo ako dito na pinapag-resign niya, sana yung mag-head din kung magagawa na naman siya. Bakit kasi binuwag sa first day ng kaniyang term ang Anti-Corruption Commission ni President Duterte, tas gagawa ulit siya ngayon para lang sa investigation ng flood control. Siguro hanapin niya yung mga taong matataas ang integrity. Naalala niyo noon si President Duterte, yung magaganda naman ang track record sa time ni President Noy, kagaya ng DOH noon, ay kinuha din niya. So, it's not about you were under this president at hindi mo kukunin. Siguro, ang titingnan ng mga presidente ngayon at sa mga susunod ay yung integridad ng taong nakaupo dyan and the performance that he did during his term. Salute to this new acting secretary at sana ngayong araw ay ma-unearth na ni Senator Marcoleta yung mga pasabog na bakit malalaki ang gaps ng mga SALN ng mga congressman na yan before na biglang naging billion na ang mga ari-arian. Thank you for your subscription and thank you for listening to the end.